What's up, guys, and welcome back. So today I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys what we've been doing on the EFI kit just yet. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys kind of catch up on and see what we've been doing so far. I've had a bunch of comments. I've had a bunch of people message me asking me for a way to hit me up. So this video is going to kind of be just like a little recap of what we have been doing, as well as what's going to be to come in the next few videos on Fridays, because obviously we're doing the EFI stuff on the M103 engine on this beautiful classic Benz coupe guy right here. Again, if you guys haven't went and followed his Instagram page, I'll go ahead and link it right here. Tag his IG right here so you guys can check it out. He really does have an awesome car. This thing is wicked, guys. It has some beautiful Mexican hat 3-piece wheels on it. It is a 250C coupe, as you can tell. This thing is amazing in every way, shape, and form. It's on air ride. This thing is amazing. And obviously, we're doing a full EFI conversion on the M103 motor swap that was done. No, we did not do the engine swap, but we are going to be perfecting it and making it look just as good as the cars we have done in the past. I'll go ahead and post a whole bunch of pictures of a few of the cars that we've done in the past and a few of the motors that we built. So specifically the M103, I've had a whole bunch of people message me about the M103. Why the M103? Why do you EFI this car or this motor? What's up with it? Like, what makes it so special, so great, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So this motor, the M103, came in a bunch of chassis, guys. It came in the 190E, it came in the 300 SE, the W124 in the coupe, the sedan, the wagon. It obviously came inside of this car. This one isn't. This is actually a turbo diesel. But it seriously came in everything, guys. If I'm not mistaken, it even came in the G-Wagon, in one of the older classic G-Wagons. We have ours. Our personal CE, the one that's boosted, all Baha'd, lifted, and all done upright. This is also the M103. We're just obsessed with it. It really is one of the best engines. It's extremely easy to work on. It's a great starter motor. And if you're just getting into the, I guess, Mercedes thing, and you want to work with an engine that is extremely forgiving, and I mean, anybody could do it. I've literally let my daughter replace things on it, and she's 11 years old, guys. So I mean, if she can do this, anybody can do this kind of stuff. The spark plugs are extremely easy. All the timing stuff, believe it or not, is extremely straightforward. I mean, if you guys can do a water pump on these cars, you guys can replace a cylinder head, you guys could replace the timing chain tensioners, you guys could do anything, because the water pump on these cars, or on these motors, I apologize, I keep saying these cars, every single one of my cars have this motor, but yeah, if you guys can replace the water pump on this engine, you guys can replace anything. I'm not even kidding, because the water pump is so annoying. It's just a pain in the butt. But like I said, I've personally built about probably 50 of these motors. We've had some personal cars that have had upwards of about 1,000 horsepower with an M103. We obviously bored it out from a 2.6 to a 3.0. And there's a whole bunch of reasons behind that, but we've done that. H-beam connection rods, forged pistons, ARP bolts. What else, man? I mean, literally everything. Crazy, crazy high boost, 98 millimeter turbo, huge blow-off valve. Like, we've done everything under the sun to them. But yeah, as far as this right here goes, in this build, I just want you guys to kind of catch up, because I have had a lot of the repeat of same questions of where did I get all my sensors? What did the sensors come out of? So please, guys, go back and check in the previous videos. I do tell everybody exactly where I got the sensors, exactly what the sensors come from, so you guys can actually get it. I also posted links in the description of where you guys can get these sensors, just to make it as easy and simple as possible for you guys. I want to try to make this as simplistic as possible. That's the whole reason and goal of me doing this. I also apologize if I sound a little bit congested. I've had the flu. No, not COVID. I've had the flu for the past week, so I've been extremely slow. I haven't finish editing the video for, I guess, this next coming up week, but it's okay. But no, guys, yeah. I have all the info I could possibly think of. If you guys have any questions or you guys want to contact me personally, I will leave my contact info right here. You guys can message me on Instagram. This is my personal Instagram right here. You guys can message me anytime. I am way more than happy to help. I've had a whole bunch of people already hit me up there, but if you haven't had my information or you didn't know it, now you do. But yeah, guys, if you need anything, please feel free to message me anytime. I'm more than happy to help. You can ask around. I mean, I love helping. I love to try to keep these motors on the road. In my opinion, it's not a European 2JZ. This is the M103. There's nothing that can compare to it. It's the best motor swap. It's the best engine, in my personal opinion, for doing stuff too, especially when all you got to do is throw a turbo on it, EFI, and you're done. I mean, you don't have to go crazy big power, and even if you did, just grab a 3.0, throw some boost on it, and I mean, you can have 500-600 horsepower without doing really much. The biggest thing is just trying to find somebody that could tune your car, especially out here in the U.S. I know it is a little bit tricky and a little bit difficult. We're definitely working with a few people right now on who can basically give us shelf tunes. So we could start making these kits and literally just giving you a kit that's already pretty much done. So all you have to do is slap it on your car, turn key, and have it done just right from the get, just to make it as easy as possible. Because, yeah, we need to start seeing more of these motor swaps done, guys. So help me out with that. Let's see if we can't get some more of these on the road. But I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. Again, please go check the other videos if you haven't yet. And obviously, if you want to message me, here's my information one more time. I'll post it right here. Message me anytime you want. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. But stay tuned for the next video, because that next video is going to have a bunch of important information. I'm going to show you guys, again, how to install the trigger wheel that we did, how to remove the clutch fan, because I know a whole bunch of people have a lot of problems with that. Basically, where to put your coolant temp sensor, I pretty much reroute everything. And then obviously we don't have our intake manifold on yet, but that right there literally just gets bolted right back up. And I didn't show you guys how to remove that because obviously you don't need to take it off to do the EFI. We just did because we were cleaning the heck out of it. That's why I didn't record that, but it's very straightforward. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I love all the questions and comments and all the thumbs up, man. That really makes me feel great, and it feels like I'm actually teaching you guys something. So thank you very much. Keep it up, and I'll keep busting my butt and making these videos for you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.